Hey everyone, in this video, we're talking about HappyMod, safe or a hidden risk. The truth you need to know. Let's begin. First, what is HappyMod? HappyMod is a third-party app store that offers modded versions of apps and games. These versions often unlock premium features, give unlimited coins, or remove ads. It sounds great, but there's a catch. None of these apps come from the official Google Play Store. Now, let's talk about the risks. The biggest issue is security. Since the apps on HappyMod are uploaded by random users, there's no guarantee they're clean. Some mods may contain malware, spyware, adware, or hidden code that can steal your data or harm your device. Next is privacy. Many modded apps request unnecessary permissions, like access to your contacts, photos, files, or even your microphone. Once you allow these permissions, your personal data can be exposed without you knowing. There's also the legal side. Modded apps break the original app's terms of service. Using them can lead to your account being banned in certain games or services. And since they unlock paid features for free, it's considered a form of piracy. Another problem is stability. Modded apps often crash, freeze, or stop working after updates. Some even force you to watch ads or install more apps just to use the features. So, is HappyMod safe? The truth is, no, it's not completely safe. While some apps may work fine, the risks of malware, data theft, account bans, and privacy issues are much higher compared to official app stores. If you do want to try mods, always be careful. Scan APKs with antivirus tools and never use modded apps for anything important like banking or social media. So that's the truth about HappyMod. It may look harmless, but it comes with real risks that you should know about before installing anything. Thank you for watching.